Hey guys, look what I have. It's instant ramen. It's DIY. So we ordered this online. This is Tantanmen curry.
Arghentrock.
I'm not exactly sure what Tantanmen is, but I think it's spicy ramen. So I think I see, I think this is pork, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the curry or spicy chili sauce. And of course, the ramen. It's a bit heavy, so I'm really looking forward to this. So it should be quite filling. So let's go. Yeah. Scissors? You have scissors?
Kind of milk.
So place together noodles, ramen soup, called char siu. It says char siu, but it's char
Kind of
siu.
milk.
It just says milk, 50 milliliters milk. Open. So are you looking forward to eating this noodles? You wanna open stuff?
It's frozen.
Char siu. Oh, look at this piece of pork.
May ba yung treasure dun sa ano?
It's pork. It's a piece of pork.
Am I gonna open it?
And this is the curry. We have to boil the noodles first. Okay, so this have the noodles here. So we're gonna boil this pack of noodles. And, we're gonna wait for that to boil. You know, we forgot something. We forgot to loosen the noodles. So that's blooper number 1. We're loosening the noodles right now. So we should have loosened the noodles before placing it into the water. So we're loosening it now. So I am sure this is going to turn out well. I hope so. Look at how milky the water has turned. I think it's 2 minutes. I'm gonna switch off the flame and I'm going to drain this. How do I drain this? I'm gonna use this. This is a drainer. Okay, how about that? I drained it without spilling any of the noodles. So I'm not sure if I'm using the correct measurement. Just estimating things. It says here, stir ramen paste in 300 milliliter boiling hot water until fully diluted. Okay, so let's wait for this water to boil. This is the paste. Okay. So let's wait. Okay, the water's boiling now, so we're gonna add the sauce. Gosh, it's got an adhesive here. What's the point of having this opening when you still have to cut it here? Here we go. Oh, okay, so it's not diluted. See? It's chunky. So this has to dilute. Dilute. You will dilute. We're not going to use milk anymore because milk is only if you want it to be richer. We want the broth to be richer. Okay, so after this is diluted, we will add the noodles. So I am adding the noodles. Oh, the noodles are now in the sauce, in the broth, the ramen broth. And now I'm going to get the char siu. Just look at that beautiful char siu. See? Look at that pattern, the marbling. In you go, char siu. Voila, char siu. I think I know what this pack is for. I think it's this empty pack. I think it's for the veggies, but we don't have veggies, so I think they should have been in here, but they're not. So we don't have any veggies. So this is like Tantanmen ramen, but it's kind of incomplete. But that's what you get with instant DIY ramen. At least for this ramen. This is done. This is done. Okay, this is done. Now we're going to transfer to the ramen bowl. Tantanmen ramen. The char siu. The char siu disappeared. Okay, there you go. Let's make it slightly prettier. Very nice. Got my chopsticks. Then I'm going to taste the broth first. It's hot. Practicing with her chopsticks skills. Oh, very good. Don't put it to the bowl. Also got some noodles. Tastes like pork. Actually, it tastes like pork. You know that piggy taste. It's all in there. You want to taste pork here? Ayan, here you go.
Yung noodles masarap.
Ayan. Ay, yung pork.
Masarap po.
Sabi ni Yana, di daw masarap yung pork.
Ang masarap. Yung karne. Masarap.
Kaya sabi ni Yana, 3. Sabi ni Lorena, 3. Sabi ko 3. Ang pinakamataas, 5.
Ah,
Ano po yung rate ninyo?
ako yung mga 6.
6. Pass.
Okay yun.
Hanggang 5 nga lang eh.
Pa lang ba? Pwede lumagpas ba? Yung masarap.
Ganun niya kagusto.
Oo. Yung ano
Ako, ako gusto ko rin. Swerve ko lang.
Pero anghang.
Kaya masarap to.
Mas masarap siguro kung maanghang. Sana yun nakasip.
Pinoy Lola, kailangan niya yung maanghang. Ano ngayon, Korean Samyang Challenge.
Bicolano.
Panoorin niyo yung video niya.
Sa akin, hindi maanghang.
Ayan.
Wala lang
Wala lang
panama yung
kay
ano.
Pinoy Lola.
Yung kinain ko na talagang maanghang. Yun talagang maanghang.
Meron lang.
Hindi lang yan.
Wala yan, sisiw lang yan.
Sisiw daw yan.
Ayun, daddy. Hanggang.
Wala mo na.
Ayun.
Okay.
Okay.
Arghentrock.